So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone not showing battery health after new iOS 16.2 update. A lot of iPhone users reported that they are facing that kind of issue, and some users facing the battery health suddenly drop issue after iOS 16.2 update. So in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone not showing battery health after new iOS 16. So without wasting any time, let's start video. There are few steps you must follow that, and I hope you will easily fix that your battery health not showing on your iPhone and as well as iPad. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, move to the solution one. Solution one is make sure you don't have any pending iOS update on your iPhone. If you have any pending update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and then fix that issue. To check that, open your iPhone setting. Okay, in setting you need to tap on general, tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update on your iPhone. Now move to the next step. The next step is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone after update and easily fix that issue. If that method not working for you, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting. In setting you need to scroll down, tap on general. Okay, scroll down again. You can see appears on screen transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen reset option here. Tap on reset and reset all setting and then done that. After doing that, you can easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, you can see appears on screen here are showing erase all content and setting. Just done that, make sure you have backup of your iPhone data. After doing that, you can easily fix that issue. Okay friends, by doing that simple step, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone not showing battery health on your iPhone after new iOS 16.2. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue. If you have any hardware issue, just contact nearest Apple store and then fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that issue. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.